When they found certain things, they said, well, Mr. CEO, could you answer to these things? Now, the way I understand it, and I may be completely wrong, but I don't think so, that once you get in there and you're doing an audit and you find certain things, you give the entity an opportunity to respond. It may be misinterpretation, it may be a misunderstanding. And once that response is given, you factor that into whatever report you will put out. Well, from what I've seen, dealing with the portion on the Ministry of Education, the questions that they raised, even though the ministry provided a response, which is tacked on as a kind of annex in the report, just this is the ministry's response, nobody bothered to go and address those concerns or to say that these concerns were valid or not valid in the report itself. And you know, this is for me very distressing because you know, this report calls people's name. They put people in there who are good people, who are productive people, and you drag people through the mud suggesting that there could be some kind of impropriety when that is not the case. So my ministry certainly stands fully prepared once people get into the details to talk about the issues there. I encourage those who get a hold of the audit report to look at the response from the CEO that is attached. But it would seem to me that this is the practice. In fact, if you look at the immigration audit report that deals specifically with the immigration department, that has been the complaint of the government as well, that listen, this was found. The way the process should work is that you should say to the people who are running that entity, can you explain X, Y, Z? And if that opportunity is not given, then it must be unfair for you to just call people's name and to tag in people's name in that without giving them a chance to first clarify whether or not it is so before you put names in black and white.